अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम STSIBA मैट्रिक कैटेगरी कंप्लीट पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 21/6/2025 को हुआ था, इसके MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। द सिमिलर मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड आर्किटेक्चर इज infrastructure. The similar meaning of the word bake is cook. The similar meaning of the word advance is progress. The similar meaning of the word protest is attack. The opposite meaning of the word flood is cover. The opposite meaning of the word invader is defender. The most important feature of the Indus Valley civilization are town planning and architecture. Each city was planned in a pattern of grid. The grid had straight road running from north to south and west to east. The main streets were 10 meters wide, enough to pass by two bullock carts. The synonym of the word truss is rubicon. The synonyms of the word enthusiastic is interested. The synonyms of the word curiosity is concern. Synonym of the word companion is mate. The synonyms of the word disguise is covering. Antonym of the word famous is common. Antonym of the word nightmare is dream. The antonym of the word renowned is inferior. The antonym of the word commence is ends. The antonym of the word repair is damage. Select the correct spell word experience. Select the correct spell word describe. Select the correct spell word glamorous. Select the correct spell word traditions. Select the correct spell word abandon. Preposition: as responsible citizen we should not draw dash the walls dash the park off on off. There was a pin drop silence dash the classroom in. Salar was a kind and helpful boy dash nature by. One of the most remarkable desert dash the world in the Sahara Desert. Of his window seat dash the train was very uncomfortable in. Select the correct subject of the following sentence. The teacher teaches in the class. Teacher. Select a personal tense sentence from the following. He goes to the hospital. Select the correct subject of the following sentence. Raju went back to join his team. Raju. Select the correct punctuation for this sentence. He asked if I was going. Select the proper prefix for the word agreement. Dis. The current Prime Minister of Pakistan is Shehbaz Sharif. The name of the largest desert in Pakistan is Thar Desert. The Ravi, known as the lifeline of Pakistan, is Indus River. The name of Pakistan's space agency is Sparko. The white color in Pakistan flag represents peace and minorities. Lahore is called the heart of Pakistan became. It is the cultural and historical center. The importance of the Indus River in Pakistan becomes. It is the primary source of water for agriculture. The purpose of the Labour Resolution of 1948 was to demand a separate homeland for Muslims. The largest continent in the world by population and area is Asia. The largest river in the world is Nile River. The smallest country in the world by land area is Vatican City. The largest desert in the world is Sahara Desert. Some countries experience more earthquakes than others because they are located near tectonic plate boundaries. The main purpose of the Great Wall of China is defense against invasions. The United Nations UN was formed after World War II because to prevent future wars and promote peace. Amoeba is an unicellular organism. Liver cells join together to form liver tissue. All of the following are parts of the digestive system except small intestine. The control and coordination of the body comes under nervous system. The smallest structural and functional unit of life is cell. The red blood cell lack a nucleus is increased oxygen carrying capacity. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Liquids are denser than gases due to small intermolecular spaces. Chlorophyll is required for the process of photosynthesis. The plants that grow best in the soil with low water quantity are xerophytes. Nashra means to open. The key purpose of worship apart from the expression of servitude to show our gratitude and love for Allah. Pakistan shares its longest border with the country India. The narrow strip of land that connects Pakistan with Central Asia is Wakhan. The absence of rain over a region for some time causes the land to dry and thus results in drought. CPU is called the brain of computer. Every algorithm has a start stop. A formula in Excel always starts with an equal sign. If you go through all possible solutions, the required algorithm is brute force algorithm. DBMS stands for Database Management System. You want to add audio file in an HTML document using the tag embed. Second generation computer use which technology? Transistors. Legal instrument that provides legal rights to the creator of artwork, literature, or a work that conveys information or ideas. Copyright. The function to insert data in a stack data structure is push. If else switch statement come in which statements? Control. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.